This is a 1993 Stealth RT Twin Turbo all-wheel drive. Production is November of 1992. Motor is gone out of the car, but I do have the transmission, the transfer case, and the rear diff on the shelf. Brought this one in from Atlanta, Georgia. Got damage on the quarter here. Rear suspension pieces. Have quite a few of the 3000GT double overhead cam cars, a few VR4s, and this one RT Twin Turbo. See if we get a picture of the production date. Passenger doors hit. Driver quarter hit. Driver door is still decent on it. And production date. I believe this car had 80 some odd thousand miles on it. Just give me a holler if you need parts. Thank you.